to the all-new Corolla Cross official debut. Malaysia's first ever 8D audio virtual premiere that'll take you on an immersive experience. Please put on your headphones and hear it for yourselves. Sound. It can evoke emotions, inspire the imagination by going beyond boundaries to shape your perception. Let the immersive sounds take you to experience excellence in every little detail. Just like how the all-new Corolla Cross will ignite all your senses.
Now that's a Toyota.
We're told that everything has limits, that progress needs to follow a strict path. But I'm not made by standards set by others. I live by my own rules. I don't limit my challenges. I challenge my limits. I'm not born to follow. I'm built to lead. And I'm here to reinvent the rules.
It's me, Diana Danielle, and I am going to take you to the next level with this car. Here it is, the Corolla Cross, Toyota's new compact SUV. Look at that! Isn't that a beauty? Many of you have been waiting for the Corolla Cross, and now I can see why. The overall design is really appealing. There's a sleekness to it, but at the same time, it also looks really sturdy. It's like a Corolla meets an SUV. So, are you guys ready to take a look? Come with me. Those lights. Those are bi-LED headlamps with Follow Me Home function. And there are also LED daytime running lights with light curtain. For someone like me, who works till late at night, driving home with these lights are going to make me feel a lot safer. There's just so much thought put into the design that you get style as well as functionality. It's really stunning. Take a look at this interior. It looks amazing. Very impressive finishing and great space. Not just that, you can feel the luxurious comfort. Wow. Now just look at this impressive view. Imagine just driving and experiencing this every day. These leather seats behind me are really nice and sturdy. The back seats can be reclined up to 6 degrees from the normal position, with center armrest cup holders. So imagine being a passenger in the back, just relaxing. It's amazing. The driver's seat also comes with the 8-way power adjuster. I do like it when I can have things my way, right down to the seat positions. Another nice touch that I like are these interior illuminations. They're placed at the right places where you need them. See what I mean? Having this LED illumination here not only highlights the sleekness of the car, but it also just makes it convenient. Toyota has really figured out a balance between aesthetics, comfort, and convenience. It makes the Corolla Cross so impressive, in my opinion. And I wish you could experience driving this. It's a different kind of exhilaration. It's because of the TNGA platform that you get enhanced stability, agility, and visibility, so you can feel the power, but you also feel safe. The engine is the same as the one under the Corolla's hood, a 1.8-liter DOHC dual VVTi engine, paired with a 7-speed CVT and sequential shiftmatic transmission. This beast is fast. The drive feels a lot smoother with the right amount of capabilities. Even turning is satisfying. I've shown you the front part of the car, so now I'm going to show you the back. That's the kick sensor in action. Perfect when you have your hands full. Most importantly, I don't need to leave my bag on the floor or on my car. You don't even have to worry about space at all. This car has a huge 440-liter trunk space and is big enough to fit a lot, and then some. You even have a wider rear seat access for those moments when you need more space. For me, as a mom, that's a win. Now this is what I call convenience, having the 9-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto-ready connectivity. It connects so easily to your phone, so you can have a bigger screen for entertainment, navigation, or whatever it is you want to display from your phone. And you can just as easily switch to music or calls. I don't even have to worry about my battery running out when I'm on the road, because there's this wireless charger built into the car. And that is the running theme with the Corolla Cross. Lots of built-in convenient features that are really going to make life so much easier. And one thing I really like about the car is how safe you feel in it. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 really provides you with that confidence. I'm talking about the pre-collision system that can help prevent collisions, the lane departure alert with lane tracing assist to help you keep on track and within your lane. As a mother, we always get distracted by our kids at the back, and this is really important to keep us safe. The blind spot monitor and the 3D panoramic view monitor give you a better view of your surroundings. And now, I can park like a pro too. Well, I don't know about you, but having all of this in a car definitely gives me peace of mind. When you put emphasis on safety when making cars, you can feel the difference, and it'll make you drive differently. You don't worry as much. You feel more assured because of the security features. And it also comes in different colors, so you can choose the ones you like. And of course, warranty is included. If you're looking for something that meets your expectations, then elevates it even further, the Corolla Cross is for you. It definitely reinvents the rules. Now, let's have a few words from Mr. Ravindran, president of UMW Toyota Motor.
Hello Dinah. Hello everyone. A very good day. I hope all of you are well, and I know you are upbeat and positive about 2021. It has been a good start for us. We had a tremendous response to the GR series as well as the launch of the Innova and Fortuner. I'm happy to bring you even more good news this year. Today, we have overcome challenges by reinventing the rules to bring you the all-new Corolla Cross. We are passionate about SUVs. It shows in the all-new Corolla Cross. It is practical, spacious, premium, affordable, loaded with functional and safety features. We are proud to bring you the best quality of Toyota that is supported by our wide service network. The all-new Corolla Cross has reinvented styling. It will invoke and inspire like no other. The Corolla is a famous name with more than 50 years of success. This model continues the proud heritage. We have received many inquiries for the Corolla Cross. As such, we have taken steps to bring in a limited number of imported CBU before local production. Booking starts today, so be the first to drive the all-new Corolla Cross. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Ravindran. To find out more about the all-new Corolla Cross, come with me and explore the Toyota virtual showroom. Let's go. Hi, Danny.
Hey, Diana. Thanks for your sharing earlier. I just had to come see this beauty.
Well, you came to the right place, Danny. The virtual showroom allows you to get a closer look at the all-new Corolla Cross anytime, anywhere. Here, you get to discover features about the car, access resources, and so much more on your devices easily.
You can also book a test drive to experience the all-new Corolla Cross now.
Stay tuned to hear more from our media partners, and thank you for joining us.
Have a great day.
Dadah, 我是 Automachi 的 Ivan.
Nama saya Syamsul Yunus, saya daripada FTV.
Nama saya Gan, saya daripada panlaju.com.my.
Hi guys, my name is Matt. I am from poltan.org.
I'm Dinesh from behindthewheel.my.
它的悬吊虽然说它是这个 torsion beam， 但是它在这种崎岖不平的路面，它吸收这个碎震非常到位，坐在里面真的是非常舒服。然后它的座椅的支撑性、包覆性都很足够，长途驾驶不会有问题。
Safety really brings a lot to the table with it's a Toyota safety sense. So in that way, I think it stands a good chance of going up against the competition.
Personally untuk kereta ni overall yang paling saya suka sekali adalah dia punya TNGA lah, platform TNGA dia. Memang tak dapat nafikan apa-apa saja kereta yang ada TNGA memang tak ada kompromi langsung dari segi dia punya suspension, baik dari segi dia punya handling, yang itu memang benda yang saya tak boleh nak nafikan. Dan saya cuba juga untuk Toyota Corolla Cross ni, saya cuba bermain dengan dia punya kotak gear CVT dia. Of course semua tahu CVT agak mengaum, tetapi lebih fun adalah ketika saya main manual. Manual gear memang sangat fun. Itu adalah antara benda yang paling saya suka sekali dekat Toyota Cross ini.
My first experience driving a Toyota-based TNGA model, so I have to say I love the refinement. It's very quiet, much more quiet than I expected. And number two, it handles supremely well. I wasn't expecting the crossover to handle like it did. It's quite surprising considering, you know, the rivals tend to roll a little bit. This guy is very sure-footed and very nice to drive. So if you combine Toyota's famed reliability on top of all that, I think it is a fantastic product.
Kiranya kalau you nak tengok sebagai sebuah crossover, apa yang menyerlah lah dari Corolla Cross ni ialah sebenarnya dia punya keselesaan. Sebab talaan sistem gantungan itu memang telah berjaya untuk menyerap kebanyakan permukaan-permukaan yang kasar dan menghasilkan satu kabin yang selesa, kabin yang senyap dan kabin yang agak lapang. So kat situ memang kereta ni sesuai untuk kegunaan keluarga.
Toyota, all about the drive.
Cars. We love them. But when is a car more than a car? It's more than a car when it doesn't let you down and lets you open doors hands-free and charge hands-free. It's more than a car when it looks after you. It keeps you on track, just like Mum. It even understands social distancing. It's more than a car when it gives you a different perspective. When it makes obstacles fun. And gives you sleepovers, not spillovers. It's more than a car when it knows your heart. It's mindful of others and lights the way perfectly. A car should see more than you, a lot more. Isn't that the point of technology? So, when is a car more than just a car? When it makes you want to drive.
Toyota, all about the drive.
It starts with a belief, a mission, a desire to rise through every challenge with our sight aimed at the sky. We're pushing the limits in the never-ending race towards ever better. Every lap is a discovery of what it takes to accelerate our capabilities. And we're not slowing down. We evolve to satisfy that calling from within. To get the adrenaline racing. To bring extraordinary to the everyday. Take on the exhilaration. New Vios GR Sport. Built to thrill.
Toyota, all about the drive.